Lighting for Impact congratulates Anime Cat of Port Angeles, Washington, this year's winner in the specialty category. Anime Cat was founded in January 2010 by the husband and wife team Drew and Robin. It's the oldest anime and gaming store on Washington's Olympic Peninsula. Anime Cat quickly became a hub for anime and gaming enthusiasts, leading to an expansion into a larger space 4 years later. Anime Cat offers a wide range of products and services, including anime, manga, board games, card games, and video games. Drew and Robin's commitment to creating a great experience for their customers and guests extends to integrating Lighting for Impact's C-channel downlighting solution in innovative ways throughout the store. Illumination emanates from every shelf across their massive titles wall and various other display fixture types, such as metal, wood, glass, and wire display designs. Their store looks absolutely awesome.